what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a vacancy. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you already know it's coming up about the J. I keep it me day, I motivate and try to keep them on my face. They pulling up and always coming with a present the way. I don't give a cause I'm just grinding, turning nothing into something. All my summers hella cold and all my winters they be holla, bro. Hey, hopped up in the coupe, we hit the state line, then the weather changed. Swear to God, we getting it, bro. Ain't playing no game. We come from out them bricks.
What's up, YouTube? Saturday. We got an up and coming project, 1989 Caprice doing a panoramic roof. So the guy supplied this panoramic, and I need some things. So right now I'm in the yard. Like I say, I'm in the scrap yard. I'm in the scrap yard. Went to a Mini Cooper. Gotta take the headliner out because I had to modify the new headliner for the box, the 89 box. So just giving y'all some footage. I'm always in the yards, getting them panoramic roofs, dope seats, whatever, engines, whatever. You up in here. Right, be back. Pretty much got the headliner. Had to cut out. Cause what I'm gonna do is refiberglass this to the original box headliner, but I needed to form so I don't have to do too much work. So pretty much the centerpiece here, that'll be fiberglass to the old headliner in the box Chevy. Let's see where we at. She's coming out of there. Let's give y'all some footage. Box Chevy panoramic roof being installed. Taking out the rest of the accessories I need to make this modification go perfectly put together. Boone's Customs. Hit that like and subscribe button and share.
See, we customize them over here. Bring them.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's me. I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play.